Good day. Today I'm here with my navigator, Pierre, and
Hello.
yeah, we're just gonna speak about chapter 11, creating and changing arrays. So yeah, firstly, what are arrays? Um, I see arrays as a collection of data items uh, or objects, and it's put in rows, and it's within one location. Let me say that's basically what arrays are. But yeah, when it comes to creating and accessing your arrays, let's see how that's done on VS Code over here. So yeah, here's an example of an array. Parents. Inside this array, there's father and mother, basically. Those are the two values within the array. When you open it on the console, what you can do is call the array, and you return these values, father and mother, which is in the array.
Okay.
Yeah. Same with these ones here. If you do the same thing, you return these values. And then this one here, my person, you return these three values as well. That's a basic, the basic look of an array. Then over here in this one, this is an array, but there's a difference with this. There's a concatenation that happens over here, where you take this first one, parents, right, and you take friends and my person, and you concat it. And what that does is combines all the values within the array over here into one array. So essentially how that will look. Just open it here. Is if I call family, it lists all the values as one because we basically combined it with the concat method. So yeah, these are the first arrays, and then the concat where you combine all of these. And then here we have a reverse method that you can use for your arrays, basically. So what this does basically is it reverses the order of all these elements in your array. So it starts from the back and it goes to the front, right? So it will basically start with true, 21, Tom, and it will go all the way backwards. So when we call it, when I call family, okay, well, I don't know why that didn't work. Oh, it didn't save it. Yeah. When you call family, what is going on? You know what's happening here, Pierre? By chance.
Hold
Trying to call
on.
this array.
You made it a comment.
Ah, of course. Yeah. Yeah. Should work now. Yeah, then you see, it returns the reversed array. So yeah, that's the reverse one. Then over here we have we have variable big dog, a variable my cat, and assigned to these we have these two values, big dog, big cat, and we create an array containing these two values over here. And in the same way on the console, when you call this, it will return these two values, my dog, my cat. Then yeah, here's another example of an array as well, which contains numbers too. Yeah.
Okay.
In this array, basically here, this one here, basically it modifies the second element, right? So it's indexing. So it takes this array here.
Okay.
Yeah, you see.
Yes.
Yeah, takes this and it you basically using indexing to, how do I say, to find the
Change
second,
the
yes, to find the value and then change it to 2, right? So in this situation here, it will take array 1, which is this one, and then it will change it to 2, essentially. So let me comment these out. Now that will look on the console. And then you return 2. Yeah.
Can you type array
Sorry?
so that we can see
Oh,
the
yes.
whole change? Can you
Yes.
type array
Yeah, let
so
me
that we
type.
can see the whole change?
Yeah, the whole thing, exactly.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So yeah, now instead of it being one, instead of it being what's this, an integer, right? It changes to a string, but it's basically still 2, but it changes to a string because we changed it there.
Okay.
So here it is now. Yeah. Then let's see this. This here is, I believe this is also indexing, right? Some form of indexing.
Yes.
Yeah, this goes to the family array, and what it does is it goes to the 4th value, right? But remember as well is that we also what's this, we use the concat function here in order to combine all these values, right? So because we did that and we also reversed it, what happens is it will get the 4th, let me say according to the index, the 4th value, let me say. So on the console, let me just go here. Let's see what to type. When you type 4, it will get this value over here, 4. Because what happens is with indexing, it starts here. So it starts 0, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you'll get this value.
Okay.
So yeah, that's how that works. And then like moving on to the push, pull, the unshift, and what's the other one? Shift as well. Yeah. Start off
Here's unshift and shift.
It's unshift and shift, yeah. So with push, this one here, what push basically does is it adds the value to the end of your array, right? So here essentially what you're trying to do is you're trying to add this value, right, to the end of this array here. So we are adding 4
Okay.
to the end of this. Am I correct in saying that? Yeah. So on the console, when you do that, and you call array, no, hold on. I'm doing something wrong here. I did not organize this code properly, but yeah. Yeah, over here. You're adding this value to the end.
Okay.
That's the what's this? The push method. So it pushes it to the end of the array. Yeah. And then same with this one over here. If you adding 5, you use push, and then it pushes the value 5 to the end of the array as well. You see. Then you have pop. What the pop method does essentially is it basically removes the last element. So it removes the last value from the array as well. So instead of adding it, it removes it. So over here, the main aim is to remove this last value by using the pop method. So at first it was there was a 3 there, as you can see, but now it's removed because pop removes the last value, and then you get this just 1 and 2. That's how pop works. Then there's unshift. So unshift basically it adds a new element to the beginning of the array. So this one adds a new value to the beginning of this array over here. So you'll get 1 at the beginning over here, basically. Did I save it? No. What? Over here, then you get 1. That's basically the unshift one. It takes the value and puts it in the beginning. And then there's also shift as well. Shift basically removes the first element from the array. So it removes the first one and takes it out. So it's like sort of like the opposite of unshift. So yeah. Then just lastly over here we have this array called let long array. Before I move here, is there anything you want to add, bro? Here.
Nothing.
Oh, okay. Alright, cool.
Nothing. You covered everything.
Alright, cool. So yeah, just here there's this array, long array, and it contains all these numbers, right? And what we want to do is use the slice method to basically how do I say, to have the end result of specific numbers only there, if that makes sense. So this long array is placed over here, and what we want to do is we want to get these numbers to be present only and slice these first 2 numbers off. So basically, the slice method, what it does is it returns a specific portion of the array, and then it slices a specific portion out of the array, basically. So how this will look is when you put slice and parenthesis 2, right? Because when it comes to this, you start here. You start at 0, right? You count here from 0. Am I correct? Yeah, I start here. 0, 1, 2. 2 is by 3 over here. So what will happen is it will start here by 2 and it will just show these next numbers over here. So from 3 until 9. And then that will look what's the name of the 3 onwards? Oh my, wait. How would I call this this? Oh yes, just long array. Yeah. Call long array. No. Do you know how I would call this? I totally forgot how to call the final results of this. Here.
You created a variable, another one. You created another variable called let 3 onwards.
Oh yeah.
That.
Let 3 onwards, yeah.
Don't do let 3 onwards, just do 3 on.
That's weird. I did that at first, but undefined. See, I did that at first, yeah.
Did you do console.log?
Oh yeah, I must do console. No, doesn't have console.log. That's right. So
you can just uncomment the one that you have. Yes. Yeah.
then I put 3 onwards, yeah.
Yeah.
Then it should return it.
It's still undefined.
There.
Oh no.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that took a while.
Yeah.
But that's the end result of the slice. It'll get these next numbers. So from 3 till 9. Because yeah, we sliced these first 2. So yeah, that's basically with everything summarized here with this chapter for arrays. Yeah. Any other comments, bro?
No comments, no questions.